How to transfer money from Woodforest to CashApp. Let's get started. You can do it by searching it on Google or opening your mobile app. In mobile app, you will be able to do this process. Your mobile app will look like this. You just have to click on your money, then click on add cash option. After clicking on add cash option, enter the amount and wait for few time. Now you will add your after adding your amount, it will ask you to confirm your cash pin. Once the cash pin is confirmed, it will ask you whether you want to add the credit card or debit card option. You can select either of these, and that's how you can add money or transfer money from Woodforest to Cash App. That's all. Thanks for watching.